Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Jones. I'm a junior chemistry major and psychology minor at Georgia College and State University in Milledgeville, Georgia. I am presenting my research on the etiology of prostate cancer in individuals of African descent. Some studies have shown that men with African ancestry are disproportionately affected by prostate cancer more than other races. So, in order to further analyze these studies, we chose three hormones, cortisol, testosterone, and DHEA, as well as a variety of demographics to study and attempt to link the two to the onset of prostate cancer. ELISA kits specific to the three hormones were used alongside saliva samples of men from either America or Cameroon, our African country of choice, to obtain mean concentrations of each hormone present in the samples of these men. The data was then analyzed using SigmaPlot and MathCAD, two computer programs, and it was found that on average, men from the US have higher concentrations of cortisol and testosterone, but men from Cameroon have higher concentrations of DHEA. The data was then separated based on our choice of demographics, which were age, marital status, employment, education level, years in the US, and years in the US by age. Based on each demographic, the data was separated in a graph as seen in figures 6 through 9. As you can see in figure 6, men who had lived in the US for less than 10 years had a higher mean testosterone concentration than men who lived in the US for more than 10 years. As we can see in figure 7, men who have lived in the US for less than 10 years and who were under the age of 44 had a higher mean cortisol concentration than men who have lived in the US for less than 10 years but were over the age of 44. We see this same data for men who have lived in the US for more than 10 years. As we can see in figure 8, it did not matter the age. Men who were from the US had higher mean cortisol concentrations for all three age groups. Finally, in figure 9, men who had grad school or beyond had higher mean DHEA concentrations than men who were only in undergrad. Further data analysis is still being conducted on attempt to find a concrete connection between specific hormone levels, socioeconomic environments, and countries of origin. We are also looking to study estradiol concentrations of the samples and see if all four hormones have a specific relationship to the onset of prostate cancer. Thank you.